Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet Yip Yip tutorial. I used medium worsted yarn and a G hook. If this is too fast for you, there is a video down below on how to place your video in slow motion, and also there are beginner stitches playlist as well. This measures about 4 inches long, but you can make it bigger. The pattern is down below. You can place things inside. You can also place it in your car in the rear view mirror. This makes for a really nice gift. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start with 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Yarn over and pull through for a single crochet, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. If this is your first time working the magic ring, I have a link down below on how to do that. And work this until you have 6 single crochet. And then pull it closed. And this first round I'm going to slip stitch and then work in continual rounds without a slip stitch. It's going to look like this, and then work 2 single crochet in each stitch around. So that will be a total of 12. Keep track of your rounds. You can use a stitch marker. Work that until you get to the beginning. Now you're going to work 1 single crochet and then 2 for an increase, and repeat that around until you get to your stitch marker. So 1, 2, 1, 2 until you get to the beginning. You're going to end with 2 single crochet, and now this round you're going to work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then work an increase. You'll have 24 altogether. Repeat that until you get to the beginning. In each back loop you're going to work a single crochet until you get to the stitch marker, and this is where you can put the tassels at the end. For 9 rounds you're going to work a single crochet in each stitch around. Okay, now it looks like this, and you're going to single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Now work 2 single crochet together. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, then insert your hook into the next stitch and grab the yarn, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook to continue. And then you're going to work single crochet in the next 14 stitches. Once you have all 14 single crochet, you're going to work 2 single crochet together, and then you're going to turn and work 2 single crochet together, and then you're going to work a single crochet in the next 12 stitches. Once you get to the 12, you'll work 2 single crochet together. And this is the opening. Now work your 2 single crochet together again. And then you're going to turn and work 2 single crochet together again. And then work 1 single crochet in the next 10 stitches. And work 2 single crochet together after the 10. And then turn, work 2 single crochet together again. And then work 1 single crochet in the next 8 stitches. For the 8, work 2 single crochet together. And then turn and then work 2 single crochet together and then work a single crochet in the next 6 stitches. And then work 2 single crochet together. And then turn. And then work 2 single crochet together. And then work a single crochet in the next 4. And then work 2 single crochet together. And then turn. And then work 2 single crochet together. And then single crochet in the next 2. And then 2 single crochet together. And then turn, 2 single crochet together. And then 2 single crochet together. And now you're going to turn and work a single crochet. Then you're going to chain 16. So chain 16. You chain the 16, you're going to slip stitch. And then single crochet. Can fasten off. Take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. In the magic circle, work 6 single crochet. Going to slip stitch into it. And then work your 6 single crochet. And then close it. And then slip stitch into it. Then work 2 single crochet around for a total of 12. Now work 1 single crochet in each stitch around until you get to the beginning. Now work 2 single crochet together 6 times. So you have 1, 2, and then repeat that until you get to the beginning. Now you can slip stitch. You can also stuff it if you'd like with yarn or stuffing. So slip stitch, and then I'm going to add an eye in the center and then insert my safety inside. And now you can take your yarn needle and sew your eyes on both sides. Now in each back loop, you're going to take, you can take 1 color at a time or 2 colors at a time. I'll just take 1 and then pull it through. And you can tie it in a knot. And then I can also do the blue and alternate between the white and the blue. Make it even and then tie it in a knot. And then just keep repeating back and forth with white and blue, or however you'd like to do it. It's going to start to look like this, and then I'll come down here and then trim them up. I hope you enjoyed this Yip Yip crochet tutorial. The pattern is down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment any questions, and thank you for watching.